20 milliliters of nitrogen reacts with 50 milliliters of oxygen to form 20 mils of gaseous nitrogen at the same temperature and pressure. What is the formula for the gaseous oxide of nitrogen? So we used up all of our nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. So what do we get out? So we started with 2N. Okay, so we need to figure out what's going on here. So how do we do this? We know that the number of nitrogen molecules is going to be the same as here. Okay, so the number of these nitrous oxide molecules has to be the same as here, number of moles, okay? Which means that there must be 2 oxygens there. And as you can see from this side, there's 5 compared to 2. So there's 5 on 2 times as many oxygen atoms as there are nitrogen atoms. So the number here must be 5. So then if we look there, C is the only one that can fit that answer, N2O5. So that's our answer. Which of the following contains the largest mass? Okay, so the way to work this out would just be to convert these number of moles into grams. 0.25 moles of oxygen, so that's 0.25 times about 16, which is 4 grams. So it's less than this one, so it can't be this. That's wrong. 0.2 grams of chlorine, so 0.2 grams, and it's 35.45 is the molar mass of chlorine. So we multiply them together to get the mass of chlorine. So 0.2 is about 1/5. So 1/5 of this is about 7.09. Okay, so it's slightly bigger than that. So this is wrong. So now we just got to check this one. 5 moles of hydrogen is 5 grams. So 5 times 1.008 is about 5 grams. So it's not this one. So it must be C. 0.2 moles of chlorine. Okay. And that's how we work it out. You're just converting the number of moles using N, so using M equals N times the molar mass. Okay, that's all you're doing. Okay. So I just multiply each of them by their molar masses, and that's how I work out. So which of these metals is most likely to have the highest refinement cost? Well, it's definitely not gold or platinum because we don't have to refine them at all. They're basically, you find them in the ground. We can just pick them up and be like, oh, it's platinum or gold. So we don't have to worry about refining these two. So there's no refinement cost. Copper. Now we've developed copper for a long time. So we've had copper around for ages. So we know how to refine copper very well. So its refinement cost would be very low also. So the answer is aluminium. As the newest metal available to us, or one of the newer metals available to us, its refinement cost is still very high because it takes a lot of energy. So it will have the highest refinement cost out of that group of metals. Okay?